How to get Unicredit bank statement online. Google search for Unicredit bank statement online, and then you want to click on this website, e-statement Unicredit bank. Click on it and it's going to take us to this page, and you will be able to see some of the benefits of e-statements. It's going to be free of charge, fast, secure, environmentally friendly, simple, easily storable, and official. Now, how can you get an e-statement? Basically, you can get an e-statement if you have e-banking enabled. You want to find this section, do you prefer to do your banking electronically? Which basically means that you will get e-statements and not paper statements. So all you need to do is to get Unicredit e-banking. You will click on Unicredit e-banking. And then here you will apply for e-banking after you have logged into your account. You will click on here, internet e-banking, then you will need to sign in, and then here you will get the option to receive your e-bank or e-statement. And that's basically how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.